Hi guys, who wants to have some fun at the amusement park? You have an idea, Billy? You want to play hide and seek? Sounds like fun. First, we have to find out who will be hiding and who will be seeking. It landed on blue. That means Charlie is the seeker. Okay, guys, while Charlie is counting to 10, you need to find a good hiding place. That looks like a good spot, Ed. Great idea, Billy. Charlie will have a hard time finding you in one of those teacups. 8, 9, 10. Okay, guys, ready or not, here comes Charlie. You think one of them might be in the ball pit? Well, there's one way to find out for sure. Just jump right in. No one there. Now, where could they be hiding? They couldn't have gone too far. What do you think, Charlie? Is one of them hiding in the teacup ride? You think turning on the ride will help you find them? It worked! You found Billy! Now, where could Ed be hiding? You think you could get a better view if you were on the Ferris wheel? Okay, let's go. Aha! There he is! This is the tent you saw from above. He must be here somewhere. Way to go, Charlie! Now, let's check out the other fun and games here at the amusement park. What a fun day! See you next time, everyone! This looks like fun. Flying through space. All the way to the moon? Whoa! This is amazing! Hi guys, what are you up to today? You found the pieces of a moon vehicle and you're going to put it back together? Great! Let's start gathering all the parts. Wow, there are lots and lots of pieces. Now it's time to put it all together. Good job, Charlie. You found the wheels. Let's put them on next. Almost finished. What is this, Ed? Whoa! It moved on its own. I think it wants to play chase. Charlie and Billy, do you have anything that could help Ed catch the ball? Jetpacks. Great idea. Now you can catch it. Great job, everyone. Now it's time to have a little fun on the moon. Woohoo! All right. Wow. See you next time, friends.